What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle sneaker related stuff, and today it's dropping off the orders from eBay and Goat. So after dropping them off, I'm gonna check out also the mall if they had leftovers of the 13s, just in case. I'm gonna do a quick flip on those. Maybe I'm gonna aiming for the bigger sizes like 12, 13 or 14. But then if there's nothing else, then I might pick up something along the way. So let's go. Alright, so we're done dropping off the packages on UPS and USPS. So heading to Champs and then Kids Foot Locker. Alright, they got the trees right there, the Jordan trees. Let's see what is the size. That is size 6. Alright, so moving on, Champs. Looks like they got something. They got the Jordan 3 down there. Yeah, very small. Not much going on here in the women's sections. Some Nikes, Lebrons, Jordan lows. This one, but looks like we don't have a leftover. I'm thinking I'm gonna pick this up and change it with the lace, white lace. So there's nothing in Champs, so we're gonna look around the Finish Line, Jimmy Jazz, Foot Action, and Foot Locker if they had some leftovers. So I'm gonna check on Finish Line first, and then moving along with Jimmy Jazz and Foot Action down there, and Foot Locker also down the end. Always check and the last sizes. Sometimes they have something here that they don't have it on display on the wall. Oh, they got the composite one. What else? Well, that's it. Not much going on. Got something in the right there. That one, I'll taking that one. So let's ask if they got more sizes on this one. Plus size. Thank you. We're checking out the Jimmy Jazz. If we got something. Looks like they got the leftover on the trees. I guess size 6 and so. We got the Air Max here. St. Patrick Air Maxes. I'm sure that they got something here on Foot Action. You got a Flint? The 13? Not much going on here on Grade School as well. They got the small Carmines. So last up, Foot Locker. Looks like we're not lucky today. We found any with the Jordan 13 Flint, but hey, you'll never know. Oh, they got the Lebron down here. This one is sold out online, and they have it back here. Sneakers have sold out this one. So we're down here on this first mall. Yeah, let's go home. Alright, so we're done. Unfortunately, no leftover of the Jordan 13 red Flint. Only pick up one pair of Jordan 1 mids on Finish Line, which is the Jordan 1 mids Gym Red Black. So I already got me, probably that's the second pair, and pick up also one pair on City Gear. We're going to the hospital for the vaccine appointment. Let's go. Anyone's looking for a brand new car? So this is the new unreleased cars from Ford. These are the Expedition something. Yeah, I think that's Expedition. So usually, because my area is close to the factory or assembly of Ford, so we got a bunch that hasn't released on the market. As you can see, we got it here, unreleased. All right, so here we go. This is what we got for today. Unfortunately, sometimes we can buy that much, but sometimes not that a lot. Starting off, we got this on, where you got this one, City Gear, and I got a gift card on the store. So I bought something that is, I think this one is unreleased. So this one is the Air Force One 7LX black metallic. Retail is 120, as you can see right there. Based on my research, I checked on StockX, Goat, nothing. So I think this was unreleased, and I was kind of surprised why they have already on the store. Sometimes it happens. Okay, so this one is nice, as you can see right there. It was like I was looking for, I thought it was the spade something, Air Force One spade. I look into it, as you can see there is a spade right there, and nothing. I couldn't find anything. Luckily I found something on eBay. There is two listed on eBay, and nice. I like it. I like the quality on this one. I like the design, as you can see right here, this design right here in the toe box, and here on the back with the Q which says Queen, and the other shoes I think it has the King. So King and Queen, man. So I pick up my size. They got a lot more on the store. More, I think they got a lot of sizes. So I'm gonna list this out very quick. But anyway, if I won't be able to list it, I mean sold it, I'm gonna keep it because I like the design. Ooh, it is soft, man. This one is quality, man. This one is much better than the other Air Force. Soft. And then the design of spade card, something like that. So what do you think on this one? Nice pick up on those. I like it. All right, so next one, pick up this one on Finish Line, white jean, red and black. I think this is the last pair because I already discussed this one on the other vlog. There you go. It's like a Chicago colorway. What do you think on those? That is a grade school size 7, and there is coming. I knew there is gonna be coming is the Air Jordan 1 Low spade, which is mostly like there is a red down here and then white on the top of the toe box. So that's gonna be a low-key flip that no one would think that they are gonna huge resale. So I'm eyeing on them, but hey, for now, unreleased one, I'll take it.